Hey guys, hope you're all doing great. I'd like to show you the new Ikea wardrobe we got for our kids and how you can play around adding few fixtures to suit your needs. However, we very much like this particular wardrobe which was not available, so we settled for the brim nails, which is not bad but doesn't have any drawer units or shelves to store the little itty bitty kitty stuff. So that's the dimension and the cost, plus a grand for home delivery. As you see, it's a very basic wardrobe. It's got the top hanger space and an open shelf unit. Since it's made for the kids to access, it doesn't have a lock system. But considering my kids who are good at adding to the existing work, we got the carpenter to fix a lock for us. And two tiny latches to hold the other door in place. We also got an additional rod attached on the left to have more clothes hanging. That's all was possible with regards to additional fixtures. My sister-in-law had sent me this IKEA thing. I guess it's called Stook. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but I had it for the longest time as I couldn't place it in my wardrobe. But luckily, it fits so well in this wardrobe and helped me with storing the itty bitty kitty stuff. So the storage is basically made to fit IKEA wardrobes. So it makes sense buying the additional storage under the same roof. We also got these boxes to organize the daily wear. It's easy to put away everyday clothes and small blankets, etc. Plus, it looks neat. We got these in two different sizes and they are not very expensive either. The big ones cost us rupees 250 and the short ones rupees 150 each, and the lids rupees 89 each. And this is how it looks after setting it up. I had these marble boxes from Minisoy and lucky enough it sat perfectly in here. This tray is called Nojik from Ikea. Costed rupees 79. These boxes come in set of 3 and cost rupees 159. So the lower rod holds my son's clothes and the upper rod holds both my daughter's clothes. The wardrobe is installed to the wall as suggested to avoid any accidents. I hope you find this video helpful. So until next time, take care and stay safe.